everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. Today I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 5th of August 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are this over the border line and Tigray's woes. Today we'll discuss the first topic from our editorial page, that is over the border line, in our today's video. So before getting into that, let's have a small look on the second topic given, that is Tigray's woes. Okay, well, it is a topic on which the conflict in the Ethiopia's north is going place. Okay, Ethiopia should end the blockade of the north and engage in talks with the TPLF. Okay, when Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed sent troops to Tigray, the country's northernmost region, in November 2020, he promised it would be a short campaign against the Tigray People's Liberation Front. 7 months later, when Ethiopia declared a unilateral ceasefire and withdrew, Mr. Abiy was indirectly accepting defeat. Government troops are now facing serious allegations of war crimes as bodies wash up in a river in Sudan that borders Ethiopia. The federal troops initially ousted the TPLF from Mekelle, the Tigrayan capital, and established a parallel government. Okay, so this Tigray's woes. So this is the topic that is purely based on the conflict that was taking place in the Ethiopian place. Okay, means the Ethiopian country. Okay, well, see, means now this should be end, or this should be cut to an end of the blockage of all the north and further engage to talks with all the TPLF. So TPLF means the Tigray People's Liberation Front. TPLF means Tigray's People Liberation Front. So this is meant by TPLF. So they were, after the 7 months, when the Ethiopia declared that there was a withdrawal, and for Mr. Abiy Ahmed, who was the Prime Minister of the Ethiopia, so he sent the troops to Tigray and the countries of the northern and the most region in the November 2020. They have promised for a short campaign that was going to take place against the TPLF. So 7 months later, then when the Ethiopia has declared all the withdrawals of Mr. Abiy and was indirectly accepting the defeat, the government troops were also came into the facing challenges, and they were also done the war crimes for all the bodies, as all the bodies have vanished into the river to the Sudan, which was the borders of near the borders of Ethiopia, and was a federal troops that had initially established for all the TPLF from the Mekelle. So well, let's get into our today's topic, over the borderline. This topic is based on the central's role in resolving all the Assam and Mizoram rows. Means taking a between or establishing between the two countries. A people-oriented approach facilitated by the center can help resolve Assam-Mizoram row. What is row? Row means argument, quarrel, squabble, fight, dispute or clash. Row means argument, quarrel, squabble, fight, dispute or clash. The drawing down of tensions between Assam and Mizoram, at least at the leadership with the respective governments announcing the withdrawal of FARs, the Chief Minister of Assam and a Rajya Sabha MP from Mizoram, among other steps, comes as a great relief. Okay, what is people oriented? People oriented means the focused on the well-being, development and involvement of the people, extroverted, sociable, social, cordial, affable, friendly. Okay, so people oriented means focused on the well-being, development and involvement of the people, extroverted, sociable, social, cordial, affable, friendly. And facilitate, it means make possible, enable, assist, promote or encourage. Facilitate means make possible or enable, assist, promote or encourage. Okay, well, so what is the meaning of, again here, tension? It means strained relations, strain or unease. Tension means strained relations, strain or unease. These actions followed the deaths of 6 policemen and a civilian from Assam in a violent gunfight in the border town of Wairinte in Mizoram on July 26, which exacerbated an already fraught situation between the states. The retaliatory actions, such as filing FARs against prominent respectives at a time when locals in the Barak Valley in Assam had already imposed a blockade, disallowing trucks with essential goods from entering Mizoram, seemed to indicate that the state's leaderships were throwing away their scabbards, militating against their own moves to restore calm. Okay, let's see the meanings. Civilian, the non-military person or ordinary citizen. Exacerbated means intensify, increase, heighten, aggravate, worsen or compound. Exacerbated means intensify, increase, heighten, aggravate, worsen or compound. Fraught, worried, anxious or panic stricken. Fraught means worried or anxious. It's enough. Retaliatory, revenging or avenging. Revenging or avenging. Prominent means important, well-known or famous. So representative, right, a lawmaker or legislators. Valley, a low area between hills or mountains, typically with a river running through it. You all well know it, right? In our childhood, we always used to draw this valley drawings. And blockade means a barrier or barricade. Okay, well, so the situation should never have come to this, what began as a conflict between residents. So this is our today's topic from our editorial page. Thank you.